Yo, back at Munch on this one.
My nigga.
And I'm dropping it like it's hot.
No problem.
Listen, okay. I wake up for my mama body, sharply I tell my pikin, the ballet and off pine. I wake up for chi on my body, sharply I check the garage if my assurance today.
Oh my God.
I wake up for Oshoko body, can't they ask myself, am I still in serious pain? I wake up for Bobrisky body, sharply I carry myself, go meet to be Joshua.
My God.
I wake up for Tunde Edna body, sharply I do give away, can't win them for myself. I wake up for Buhari body, can't they ask myself, which country I they go to next? I wake up for Charles Noje body, I say fine boy, I know fine woman, and then they rush out. Wake up for Charles Okocha body, cry for street, tell people to give me my accolades. I wake up for Lasisi body, see Brian Shegun, ask him say, are you mad? You wanna know how good I am? I don't know, all I know is I'm better than myself. I wake up for these kind people body. I don't get plans for this kind thing to happen.
No problem.
I wake up for IG body, see myself they transmit to transmission. I wake up for Senator Party body, see myself shout city parapolism.
Continue.
I wake up for Davido body, sharply I check my account if 30 billion day. I wake up for Adeboye body, tell my people
Let someone shout hallelujah.
I wake up for exploit body, can't they ask myself, what in be Yapu Rapumbem? I wake up for Emma Papa body, tell Emma, you will move out of this house. I wake up for Fuzzy Bada body, can't they ask myself, why I wear glasses when no get glass?
What is all this?
I wake up for Rocha's body, can't they ask myself, what is even the baby?
I don't know.
I wake up for Mark Zuckerberg body, can't they think, make I touch your people, delete Instagram. You wanna know how good I am? I don't know, all I know is I'm better than myself, yo. I wake up for this kind people body. I swear I no get plans for this to happen. I just say make I sharply sleep, oh. Before I know they don't come change 'em. Yo, you know what it is. Back at Munch on this one. That the G of creativity.
Go and sit down.
Yo, a big shout out to Breezy on this one. A big shout out to Lil Dicky. Yo, and I'm signing out. Alright, you already know. Bye bye. Bye bye. Alright, I'm in now. Yo, bye bye. Chee! Global now. Bye bye.
We global now.
Bye bye.
That is God.